All right, so learning these few licks, I'm going to show you now. I'm going to give you a very good insight. Okay, you know, it's going to transform your playing, give you a very good insight whenever you're, soloing, whenever you're improvising. Okay, so without wasting of time, I want to show you these licks. Number one goes like this. Okay. Then number two goes like this. Number three goes like this. Okay, I know we have been hearing a whole lot of guitarists play stuff like that. It's very cool. It always sounds very cool and awesome. So if you're a beginners, intermediate guitarist, okay, beginner, okay, I just urge you to start practicing stuff like that. Okay, start practicing stuff like that. It's gonna give you a very good insight and very nice improvisation. Okay, so the last one, not the least, is something like this. You hear guitarists play something like this, something like that, or something like this, in another octave. Or you can play okay, stuff like that. So let me put the breakdown. Let me put the breakdown of what I just played. So okay, so the number one, it's like this. So this is the key of E. Key of E. So like I always say, make sure you practice your major scale in different intervals very well so you can, understand your shape very well, okay? So I started from the re. You just like play re. You just like playing the re more do. Okay, so I do like this. I make a push up a little. I made a little push up. Okay, so I made a little push up there. Just I play, and then I made a little push up to my la, the first string. I do. I'm still at up. When I hit the la and I bring the re down, okay. Do la, okay. Then I play an ascended do there, which is la so mi re do la. That's the number one. If you can learn that, you're gonna sound cool whenever you're improvising. Okay. The number two goes like this. That one is very simple. That's just like part of the first lick I play. Okay. So you just play the same thing when you play. Pick the la. When coming back, you slide to the mi so. Okay. La do la. Okay, that's it. That's the second lick. So the third one goes like this. You might hear a whole lot of guitarists play stuff like that. So I'm holding my root note there with my saw. Okay, slide them together at once. Okay, so the la and re. Okay, Now what I'm playing there is Re, Sol, Mi, La, okay. So I play the Re, Sol, and the Mi, La, okay. I've told you guys about this lick before, so this is another way you can use it. Then the same thing I play there. Now this is La, Re, Ti, Mi, okay. La, Re, Ti, Mi. So I slide from the Sol, Do, okay, La, Re. Okay, so that's it. That is it. So the last one I played was something like that. So you hear a lot of guitarists playing stuff like that. So what I played there was Sol, La, Sol, Si, Fi, Sol. Okay, Sol, La, Sol, Fi, Sol. But there's a way you're gonna hammer on it to make it sound more harmonizing. Okay, stuff like. So when you are playing the La, just have to play hammer on the La. Okay.